Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Ali and welcome back to the TechWix YouTube channel. So in this quick video, we are basically going to discuss a commonly asked question, or you can say a frequently asked question. Is the TikTok shop suitable for my brand or the product? This is the most frequently asked question that majority of our clients, when they reach us, they ask from us. So in this quick video, I am just going to tell you that how you can check whether TikTok shop is a suitable platform for your brand or for your product or not. So let's get started. So basically, here you can see our product analysis report, in which we tell the clients that what's the revenue potential of their brand or their products on the TikTok shop. So here are the table of content. Basically, this report is very extensive, and this report has around 28 pages. But in this specific video, we are basically going to focus on one thing that is related to the product analysis. And here you can see that I have opened the product analysis report of one of our client's brand. And due to privacy reasons, I have just removed the brand name. So we have fetched this data from the TikTok shop by using a tool. The name of the tool is Data. And here we have analyzed several competitors that are selling products similar to our client's brand. So here you can see the analysis of top 10 brands. And here in this row 3, you can see the data of one brand. This brand basically started on the TikTok shop from 9th of the March. And here you can see the result of last 30 days. This brand has generated $2.37 million revenue from the TikTok shop. And this brand has sold around 5900K. And the average unit price of this brand is $39. And here you can see the stats of second competitor. This competitor has generated $169,000 from the TikTok shop in just 30 days. And if you go to the right of this report, and here you can see the result of last 180 days. The first competitor has generated $12 million from the TikTok shop in last 6 months, and the second competitor has generated $495,000 from the TikTok shop in just last 180 days. So yeah, this is the thing that basically you need to do for your brand in case you are basically planning to launch your brand on the TikTok shop. So you need to take the decision based on the data, and you can use any sort of the tools, and then you can fetch the data from the TikTok shop, and then you can decide whether the TikTok shop is a right platform for your product or not. And if the stats are like that, means your competitors are making in the millions, then it's clear that your product can be launched on the TikTok shop, and you can also make money as your competitors are making. And if the stats are not good, like the people are making only around 5K, 10K, or 15K, and none of them is making above than 100K or even in the millions, then you can say that your product is just basically in the initial phase on the TikTok shop. And then you can also test your product that whether it perform well or not on the TikTok shop. And the most important thing is that if you are an e-commerce seller, whether you are selling on the Amazon or on the Shopify, and you need a report like this for your brand, click on the link below. You can book a one-on-one consultation call with me, in which I can show you live that how much the revenue your competitors are making from the TikTok shop and how you can achieve that. Even though we do have a lot of data in this sheet and in this report, and I will be sharing that data in the coming videos. Like I will be telling you that how we decode the competitor strategies, how we decode that from which venue they are generating the revenue, like from the organic shoppable videos, from the influencer marketing, from the TikTok shop ads. So yeah, if you have any other question, you can leave me a comment below and I will be answering each of your questions. Otherwise, if you have a brand and you basically need this sort of report for your brand, then you can book a call with me and we can discuss everything related to your brand. It will be totally a free of cost, one-on-one call. No strings will be attached, no risk will be involved, and the thing that you will be getting only will be the value. So yeah, thank you so much.